After party. After party.
This side has the beehive pattern, and this side has like a 540. As y'all can see, it's going in like this. If you've been following the channel, I had the 540 pattern. That is why my top is on a slant. I'm gonna keep my top at a slant and just, you know, get my crown to really go into a beehive, because my crown still has that 540 pattern right now. So in this video, I'm gonna just show y'all how I'm doing that, transitioning my crown to really get a nice beehive. Right now, I'm using sporting waves because my hair is a thicker hair texture, and I really want my crown to lay down, you know, with the way that I'm brushing. Alright, so I'm using sporting waves right now. You can use some lighter if you don't want like a thick, if you don't like using like the thick pomade. You can use something lighter like 360 style pomade, but I'm using sporting waves right now to really work on my crown. But I had the 540 pattern. That's why my crown, that's why the top of my hair is like this. It's still in this slant. I don't want to get rid of this slant. I'm gonna just work on getting my crown into that beehive. This side has the beehive pattern, and this side has like a 540. As y'all can see, it's going in like this. Wow, this side is just like this. So I'm trying to really fix this area right here to get it to spread out, where it's just a whole, where it's a beehive, you see? I'm trying to really get that area of my hair to spread out, which like my hair is forming into a beehive right now. It's going into a swirl. I haven't really been focusing on my crown, so I'm just show y'all how to really work on your pattern. All right, all the brushes that I'm using are all curved brushes. All right, I like using the curved brushes when I'm working on my pattern. All right, what you need is a good, firm, medium or hard curved brush. It don't matter what brush you use, but for me, I like using the curved brushes when I'm working on my pattern, you know, to really get my hair to really hit them good angles, man. That's why I like using curved brushes. Just for the pointy area right here, it really gets into the crown area, you know, to really get your pattern the way that you want. That's why I like using the curved brushes. Get the pomade like a dime size. You know, don't just smack a whole pot of pomade in your hair. All right, just get like a little dime size, you know. Alright, so when you're working on your crown, you really want to isolate your pattern, alright? Really get the brush in there. Really isolate your crown area to get your pattern to how you really want it. I'm trying to work on this spot right here. Really get it into a beehive. You know, that's really all you have to do to really work on your crown every day. Just do that and stay consistent with it. And that's what I'm about to do to really get rid of that swirl pattern that's in my crown right now. So I don't really want the swirl pattern right now. I'm trying to get a perfect looking beehive. But let me know, should I change the slant on the top or keep it? Should I keep the slant on the top or keep it? Let me know, man. That's how I really work on my crown to really get it to how I really want.
After party.
And all you're doing with the pomade is just using it to lay your hair down in the direction that you're brushing, all right? Whether it's a thick pomade or a light pomade, you're just using the pomade in your crown area to help your hair lay down in that direction. And just do-rag consistently, all right? You must wear your do-rag consistently to build fast progress in your crown area. You don't want your hair popping up, you know, none of that. Just wear your do-rag consistently and your crown will start forming in the pattern that you want.